Aw, what a cute little thumbkin kitty. And he really makes an impression. Add glue. And he's somebody again. A really stretchy somebody, too. Look, a little water will clear things up. Guess he had too much to drink. Uh-oh. Who can stay mad at a face like that? Careful, don't step on that banana. Oh, at least you didn't slip on it. Oh, hey! This mush can make great yellow paint. Just the thing our plastic bottle needs. But our banana bottle could also use some holes. And now we've got our very own fountain. Cue the waterworks. Kitty's got some new presents for you. But seriously, what are you feeding her? Anyway, let's give it a good squeeze. Wow, there was another kitty inside. Let's just clean off all that slime. And make you some accessories. Like your own personal litter box. Well, here we go again, I guess. Just kidding. This time, it's candy. Ah, a look at the artist at work. Let's see. I wouldn't quit your day job. Unless, of course, this is your day job. Maybe you need a change in medium, like paint. With a kitty stencil to help. Ah, 3 little kittens. Just need some eyes, whiskers, and maybe some mittens. And I think you've got a new fan. Ah, Milk, a tried and true cat classic. What the? Tape? Where'd that come from? Well, if it's here, might as well use it. Why don't we fill it up with milk? After all, only the best for nanotape. Draw a pretty pink heart on top, and soon we'll have a pair of cheeks for squeezing. The best part of any hot drink, whipped cream. And the fun's not just in the taste. We can even draw on top of it. It's our own coffee kitten caboodle. Would you like some coffee with that shake? With our special snowball maker, we can whip up some Hello Kitty rice balls. Isn't it just the cutest? Let's make some more. Don't forget to add some sauce. Do you like it spicy or savory? They're really fun to squish, too. But they're even more fun to eat. Always remember, what goes up must come down. Especially with a naughty kitty around. Well, maybe we can put this paper cup to better use. With a straw and a hanging kitty. And it's also happy to say hello. Wow, that sure is some pedicure. but that poor sock deserves better.
Oops.
Let's fix it up. Make some cuts. Add some stuffing. And a few touches. But it still needs a face, like button eyes. And soon enough, we've got ourselves a brand new pretty kitty to play with. What do you think that is? Icing sugar. And there's something buried inside. What could it be? The sugar is sweet, but it's a little too tough to chew. Wait a minute, I think something's inside. Oh, it's a brand new ring! And there's more where that came from. Candy is dandy, but the foil is the best part. We can use it to make a shiny new kitty. Toilet paper. Oh, this can be fun too. Take a square and roll it up. Twist it up into a little rosette. Now let's cover up our new cat friend. And soon, she'll start looking a little familiar. All right, who wants to pop some pimples? But, you know, without scarring. Hey, rich girl, leave some zits for the rest of us. Careful! Oh, you got a smidge right there. Who knows? Maybe it's good for the skin. Oh, that was rude. Okay, we'll just make our own. Just take some slime and wrap it up. Now we'll need a base. Get your glue gun ready. It's like an egg white, so just add the yolk. Ooh, it's all nice and squishy. But what's a phone cover without a phone? Now that's multitasking. How cute. These baby dinos are just ready to greet you. Think they're hungry? Give them a snack. Good catch. And they're just great for confetti. Gesundheit. Oh, look at that. A free toilet paper roll. Just add some color and a balloon inside. Let's draw a face on it while we're at it. How about some whiskers? Ah, it's a cute pink bunny. She's so happy to meet you, she'll practically burst. Have you ever seen a slug go so fast? Come on, it takes two to tango. Let's dance. Is she looking for some real slugs? Why not try this instead? Roll up some tissue paper. Use your favorite markers and draw out a pattern. Spots included. Look, it's now a little caterpillar. Just add a stick and it can move. Wow, a unicorn, and it's so fluffy! Anyone else want to take a look inside? After all, you never know when there's a prize inside. But in our next corner, we've got shaving cream. And that's not all. Pour on that glue. A little food coloring won't hurt. And some hand soap. Mix it all together. Now it's time to really get your hands in. Almost forgot the best part, the prize inside. Come on, we've got enough slime for the whole toy box. Talk about fashion with function. The earring has buttons all ready for popping. And she's got one for each ear, too. Oh, this old gum packet can be just what we need. It was practically made to be an ear of corn. Now remember, everything's better with googly eyes. I mean, if corn can have ears, why not eyes? But more importantly, corn was made to be popped. These roly-poly frogs are always in the mood to dance. The gang's all here. The party never ends when you can't fall down. Well, we can play with the balloon. Just remember to tie it. Here's a better idea. Grab some water beads. The fish will never miss them. Fill up the balloon. Make sure it's safely tucked inside. Now blow it up. And this is important. Tie it up, too. It's got the wobble, but let's customize it. It's a lamb, and the gang's all here. Come on, you guys. It's time to boogie down. Yeah! A squeeze ball. Just look at how it oozes. And that's before we cut into it. Come on, trash bin. What do you got? Wow, slime filled with tiny rubber ducks. We just need the ducks. Into the balloon it goes. Of course, everything's better with glitter. And some clear toothpaste has the right texture. Now, how do we make this extra squeezy? Add something tight with holes, like a sock. Look at all that glitter. Ooh, a duck. So many Pop-It toys. Just look at the bottom one. Wow, it looks really squishy. Wanna share? Lay down some cardboard. Cue the gold carpet. Now it's time to carve out some holes in a row. We'll need some circles next. Slice around the middle. Fold until they're conical. Place them on top of the holes. Why not make it a pineapple while we're at it? Now push those buttons and pop them back. I've heard of having a silver spoon in your mouth. Just look at that golden snitch spin. Wow, a dollar sign? Eagle wings? A star? With fidget spinners, this girl likes a little sparkle.
Wow. Ew.
Hey, be careful. Oh, we could have played with that. But maybe we can. Press it into some molding material. Take it out, leaving just the middle inside. Fill the imprint with some resin. Before it dries, why not add some glitter? Now we've got a custom-made fidget spinner. And it's just as sparkly, if not more so. Oh, is it lunchtime already? Careful, bananas aren't so tough. But this one is. It's a squeeze ball. Look at that stretch. But even it has its limits. Still, no reason to let good water beads go to waste. This empty bottle's the perfect place for them. Just add soda. Close it tight and start squeezing. Just remember though, everything has its limits. Now, I've heard of wiener dogs, but that's practically a foot long. And it looks like she's got the pack. Now let's play with the unicorns. Pretty soon there'll be a pretzel. Got anything in the wastebasket? It looks like some paper streamers. Take two and fold them together into a square. Add a face. How about a kitty? We'll need some eyes. It's not a mole after all. Some paws will help too. We've got a bouncing bunch, a cat and dog. What cute drinks! And so squishy. I think that last one's real. Maybe we could put this straw to better use. After all, waste not, want not. Fill a plastic bag with hand soap. Throw in some balls while we're at it. A cover should help too. Add a face. Something a little anime-esque. Don't forget the straw. Now start squishing. The only thing better is if you could actually drink it too. Wow, cool stuff, right? Catch you next time. Nothing beats a crunchy catnap cookie. Crumbs stuck in your chompers, Dog Day? Well, a little birdie's got just what you need. A toothpick. Careful, that was her last toothpick. Looks like you could use a refill. Oops. Anyone up for a little 52 pickup? Ooh, guess catnap's not into acupuncture. Ouch! Stepping on a block? This just isn't her day. But cheer up, the circus is in town. Ooh, look, they're having sundaes. Dog Day likes to make her own blocks. And her secret ingredient is jelly. She can whip up a whole mess of them. Good idea. They tend to go quickly. Finger Kitty struts her stuff. A baby? We really need to change that bath water. But it's nothing a good scrubbing can't fix. You know, she's what we call a squishy baby. And she sure does live up to her name. Ooh, looks like someone's due for a growth spurt. Wow, a blue rose! And even better, some red sand. Just what we need to make a face mold. Add glue. Let it dry and take it out. A hamster? Talk about leaving an impression. Aw, those chubby cheeks are so cute. How about we go for a stroll? Skibbity? Then the toilet shouldn't be too far behind. There's something inside. Look, a rabbit. Now that you're here, why don't we get this potty started? Looks like some special surprises are dropping in. Aw, our bunny's hungry. Have a snack. Of course, what goes in must come out. Candy's the gift that keeps on giving. Guess there's enough for the whole class. Meanwhile, we've got a new friend of our own. But he's kind of dirty. Let's clean him up. A shower and scrub should do you good. Just don't forget to rinse him off. Next, let's rub in some body lotion. Finish it off with a fresh new diaper. Aw, and you smell, well, a little better. Hey, do you know what day today is? It's March 8th. You know what that means. It's the day we try out our balloon inflator. I knew that cars run on gas, but not like this. And it's like a party with all these balloons. Guess it's a party for one. Well, no worries. You just need to grab an old water pump. Now we can blow up our own balloons. While we're at it, let's bring some together. Now we have a catnap of our very own. When it comes to food, presentation is everything. Which is why Catnap loves a good food train. All aboard! Add your favorite sauces in the middle, just in case you want to take a dip. Don't worry, we can make our own fun. First, make a Bubba Bubba-Fint cup. He's going for a ride on our robot vacuum. Back already? And he's brought juice. He can dispense it from his trunk. Someone needs to keep her paws to herself. Don't worry, the vacuum's got you covered. Just need to make a few little adjustments. Now we've got a mop-in extension. So sit back and enjoy that juice. What's in your backpack? It's Pomni! And she's ready to dance. Look at her go. But why not get to the root of things? Ooh, Pomni's got quite the backbone. It can really groove. Let's take it for a spin. Apparently this is a private show. Joke's on her. We've got a free TP roll. Let's roll it up in some green paint. Now it's a cute cactus. Add a balloon. Good thing we didn't add the thorns. Catnap's got a new present. They're alphabet lore candies. How about we slice them up? Gets to the juicy center even faster. Ooh, they've got strawberries inside. Don't eat them all. They're perfect cupcake toppers. Oh, so many. Don't think she'll miss just one. We can slice it up, too. Just need a knife and fork. We can use them for our special jellies. Did I mention we make them duck-shaped? How about we pour on some purple fondant? Now let's make it look like our old pal Catnap. Ooh, it kind of looks like a reverse platypus. Let's crack him open and get to that gummy goodness. Here, Catnap, do you want some popcorn? Still kernels? Well, that's what the mini popcorn maker's for. Just press the button and let's get popping. They're all familiar faces. Stack them up and chow down. Corn on the cob is truly magic. Sorta. But we're here to pop some kernels. Now give it a dip in some caramel. Aw, Dog Day, you're a real star. But I think a moon's more Catnap style. This caramel corn must taste out of this world. They certainly seem to agree. Aw, Catnap's got a toothache. The dentist is here to help. This looks like a job for a flying dino. Get ready. It's time for blast off. Ew, I don't think the Tooth Fairy would want this. Well, let's pour on some glue for our next craft. Hook up a chain before it dries. Now let's whip up a paper plane. We want it to catch some serious air. So we're gonna need a special launching pad. That was just a test. Now let's try with a passenger. Look at it soar! Ooh, careful, Catnap! I guess things just have a way of coming back to you. If only more of life's problems turned into necklaces.
People save baby footprints. Why not do the same for your fur babies? And here comes the fun part, breaking it all to pieces. This cat doesn't look like he belongs to anyone. So let's fix that. Make your shirt into a pouch. And bring him to your house, which shall henceforth be his house. Cats usually clean themselves, but this looks like a big job. At least skin's easier to clean than fur. This looks like a job for one of our gadgets, a cat brush. And when you're done, look how easy it is to remove the hair, which also makes it easy to use in crafts. After all, cat hair's better as earmuffs than on your couch. While we're at it, let's do something about those nails. But why stop at just cleaning those nails? These clips fit right on, and think of all the money we'll save on polish. Wow, lipstick for paws. I would have just called it paw stick. Good idea, a massager. You know, it's hard work being a cat. Yeah, you should feel nice and relaxed. Now, how can we make this dinner table more cat-friendly? Maybe this cardboard box can help. After all, cats already prefer the box to whatever's inside. And you can do no wrong with some colored tape. Look at all these colors. It's like a rainbow of tape.
Ew.
With this plastic bowl, we can make a window. If only it was this easy making a window into a bowl.
Aww.
What else can we add? Honestly, I'm not surprised lawns are free. With all that hassle of mowing them, some people might even pay you to take it.
Ah.
Whoa, some free clothes just lying around. Could be useful. Ah yes, jeans. Like your skirt, but with legs. Let's stuff it up with some of these other clothes. And tie the legs up together like a pretzel. Our project is almost done. Just add the roof. And a few finishing touches, like these sticky notes. Place them down in a pattern like roof shingles.
Oh.
What else is nice and sticky? Great idea, a sticker. We can personalize our furry friend's new home away from home. Is there anything else a cat would like?
Ooh.
These brushes will make fun self-groomers. What else do cats like? Clothespins? Do cats like clothespins? Okay, I see where she's going with this. A fish mobile. Furnishing a house has never been so delicious. Oh, and what a lovely picture frame. Excuse us, we're just gonna borrow this too. Wow, this mat fits inside the frame. What are the odds? And now we have a brand new scratching post. This flower pot has a lot of space. Cut it open, and it's a perfect private makeshift litter box. Oh, water. Cats need water too, right? Let's add a cat water fountain. Just add water. It looks like our fish mobile is getting nice and pungent. Do you have anything else we could add? These beads could add just the right touch. Let's just run some thread through them. This would make a great friendship bracelet.
Wow.
But now, tie up the excess string and cut. This way, it ends in a little pom-pom. Make different sizes for your new beaded curtains. Next, let's cut up a hole in this stool. Add a plate right on top. And with the help of these silicone molds, we can fill it up with the best custom-made snacks. And just think of all these different flavors. She's got that look in her eyes. She's got ideas for this traffic cone. We'll need to cut up this plastic bottle and add hot glue. Add some around the rim to soften things up. Add to the cone. And fill it up with even more cat treats. Of course, what's a cat house without a ball of yarn? Except we're gonna use it for our next craft. I wonder if this girl's ever played cat's cradle. I feel like it'd be right up her alley. Oh, These plush toys would be great for that net we just made. Of course, you can't have much of a cat house without a cat. Let's see how he likes it. Does he love it or does he love it? A free hat? Will these wonders never cease? He's having a lot of fun looking at stuff. And would you look at that? He's potty trained with an actual pot. Now to kick back with a nice snack. And some more snacks. The only thing better than having a cat is being a cat. Meow, amazing stuff. Catch you next time.